The color palette for 2020 Pasadena Showcase is based on country estate living. This is a colonial home, and so it's really a livable, workable palette with a lot of greens, a lot of blues throughout. Welcome to 2020 Pasadena Showcase House of Design. Dunn-Edwards is the exclusive paint sponsor. We are proud to be a legacy partner with Showcase over 50 years. We pull the palette together with an array of fabric. This year I worked with Greg Parker at Parker West Interiors, come up with a palette of say 20 to 30 colors. It's best represented through the designer and their inspiration. So what are they inspired by in designing for this home? And in turn, as a result, they gained representation, they gained PR out of this, showcases the best of their efforts to consumers and partners.